Hi guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. First we go ahead and we use our leave-in hydrating spray by Nairo's Naturals just to mist the hair and allow it to be hydrated. You always want to work on hydrated hair whenever you're doing a new style. And now I'm going here and I'm going to make my part as neat as I can to do this cute little style you guys are going to see. So I separate the hair and I put one ponytail away to the side. Now you're going to see me here parting for my next piece. So I parted the piece of hair that I'm going to work with, and again I hydrated to detangle it and makes it so much easier. Now I'm showing you guys how I add a bead to the braid that I'm creating. And so that's what I'm going to do now. As you guys can see, I added one bead already in I braid just a little bit. Then I stop, I separate the hair, and then I go ahead and add the bead on, and then I continue to braid until I add my next bead. And you guys see me here, I just go with the end of the comb just to pull out any pieces that got caught up in the braid and to take out my baby girl edges. I'm hydrating the hair again because it did get a little bit dry, and I'm going to put like some oil as well to seal in that moisture. Most likely you'll see me spraying it here to hydrate it and then add an oil to seal it in. That's exactly what you want to do with textured hair. The more moisturized it is, the longer it grows, the better it thrives, and the easier it is to manage. Go, I decided literally last minute that I was going to put another braid that's kind of like the ankle braid. It comes towards the front, and I'm going to add some beads to that braid as well. As you guys can see, it's the same concept that I did when I did the front braid, and towards the middle I added the bead, braided the hair down until I feel like added another bead, folded the ends of the hair, slide the bead through, and then continue braiding down the braid to the end of it. Now it's time to smooth the hair down neatly. So I sprayed the hydrate again, add some oil to seal it in, and then I put a little bit of gel just to sleek down the edges and the rest of the hair. Now you're going to see me spray one more time to really get those curls hydrated. Then I add some mousse style by Milo Organics. I think mousse is really great for drawing the curls. I like gel as well, but I just find that the mousse is a bit more hydrating, and that's what we really need, especially in cold months. So I'm using my Yale, I'm using my leave-in conditioner spray to even it out. And I'm sealing with my own oil. And just like that, the style is complete. Here is the finished look. Super simple, super cute. Valentine's Day hairstyle.
I'm a Nairo. A Nairo. A Nairo.
And here you see me adding oil in between the scalp where the parts and the braids are. You always want to add your oil. And as long as you keep the style in maybe about a week or so, you still want to go in and add oil where needed because we don't want dry scalp or any flakes. There you go.
Happy Valentine's Day.